In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize keyboard on Android. It's pretty fun and simple to customize your keyboard. You can see here on my keyboard, I don't have any settings. So what you need to do is go to your settings and then search on keyboard. So in here, you will see a lot of options on how to edit your keyboard or customize your keyboards. But for me, I'll be choosing the split layout. So in here, as you can see, I'm using a Gboard and the language I'm using is English. So my keyboard is a QWERTY type. But if you want to customize that one, just go ahead and tap that one and add keyboard. So for example, I'm going to choose Filipino. Here you will see a lot of types of keyboards like Azure, QWERTY, and Azerty, whatever it is. So you can go ahead and select any of that. But for me, I will be sticking to QWERTY. And then I wanted to customize the theme. So go ahead and select that one. And in here, you can do a black background, red one, and you can also download any pictures and make it your keyboard background like this. But as for me, I'll be using the black background. So just go ahead and tap apply. So when you go back to your messaging or your message, you will see that your keyboard is already customized. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.